Hey, what's up? This is Steve-O, and you're watching Jackass. So, I got a little update on something that I've wanted to do for a while, which is do the, I guess you call them splash shield, mud guards, whatever. I always see them on these cars, on the 6th gens, and I always think they look cool. They kind of look cool on any car, I think. They just kind of add some sort of flair, or like make the body a little more united, I think, or it pulls things together. I don't know. Let me just get it real dirty and throw it in the trash real quick. But first, that's a pretty nice little kit. But quick update on the TL strut tower brace. So first impressions, driving it down the street, was like, almost like not, I didn't really notice it. But as soon as I forgot I had put it in there, and this is a weird way to explain it, as soon as I had forgotten that I installed this in my car, I was like, oh, the car feels sharper. I was like, oh yeah, because I had the strut bar installed. So that might be the best testament I can think of that shows, what this thing has done for the car's handling. Now, this is just cruising around the streets. The sensation I was getting was, it just feels like the suspension's having to do more work, because it makes sense, because each tower is now supporting each side via the bar, so that would transfer to every time you even do a subtle turn. That's what I was noticing. Anytime I did a subtle turn like that, or how can I explain it? It's just things feel snappier, it makes sense. I mean, if you're tying these two things together with the firewall, and it's obviously a Honda design part on the same chassis as the TL Type S, where they wanted to stiffen things up, it only makes sense that it's going to benefit this chassis as well, because it's the same one. So yeah, so it's a pretty nice addition, and I can't wait to get it through the actual. I can't wait to see how this thing does out in the hills. I was, again, the best way I could describe it is I forgot it was on the car, and I was like, well, the car feels a little sharper for some reason. Now, it's not like a world of change, but it's definitely an addition, a welcomed addition for driving characteristics. I mean, that, with the sway bar upgrade, front and rear, it's got to be something. So I had bought this kit a while ago, and if you see the car, you can see that, like, you got these wheels look like the Prelude wheels right now. Can't really see it, but if you look, right where the splash shield would go. Why are my tails like pink? I think I've got a different filter in this thing. They're not pink, they're red. Let's see how it looks from behind. That's weird. Yo, what's up? This is Steve-O, and it's just turn your taillights pink. That is hilarious. This is the Kiss Me filter on a Samsung phone. Yeah, what's up? My taillights are pink now. That's really weird. I was not expecting that. So let's zoom back out here. Alright, so let me show you what these look like. So these are factory style. I think I got it on Amazon, man, which is, here we go. Let's use this mask the right way here. Clean this thing up. These use the factory mounts, and they also give you hardware. There's one, front left. Then we got, here's the hardware they give you. These look like, just classic OEM, like Honda screws to hold on bumpers and stuff. That style is bumper screw. But if you look here on the actual, this is the back right. So driver's side. I think they put a little L for left side. So right. Oh, that's the back right. So yeah, that's my mistake. It actually came all packaged nice and neat too, which is. And you got left here. So this would go right where the factory has, hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna try to lighten this up. Hopefully you can see it, but there's two little dots there. And they're like indentations for factory installs. And then there's also that little square right back there. A little square for a press fit type of fastener. Like, so it would go through here. Okay, look at my hand, even looks pink. Man, yeah, what's up? This is Steve. It's just turning your hands pink. Weird. I don't know what's going on with that. That filter is strange. But either way. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to mock it up. And you can kind of see how that's going to look. I wish I could get it. Yeah, so that's where it would go. You know, and it's just like this, a subtle look. And of course, no one wants to drill into their bumpers and all that. And the one thing I'm kind of stressing is the back. That one back there, I've got to find the factory type of clip. But in the meantime, this thing should hold on with the 2 screws for now. You know, and I think it just looks, it's gonna look good. But I'll do an update video when it's all done. So that's the back. And I love how these just line up perfectly with those 2 indentations right there. It's pretty neat. And this one's got a little room for maybe some play. So I'll do the bottom one first and then install the second one on top. And this is like, you know, pretty good plastic, strong stuff. And then you got the front right here, which uses these factory mount locations as well. So I'm just gonna unscrew these ones. They gave you hardware just in case, but you got 1, 2, and then 3 down there. And then 1, 2, and 3 right there. So that would be there. Now I'm gonna soften these edges up too, so they don't hit the paint so hard. Because I think, there we go, a little better like that. The fit's pretty nice. But yeah, that's what I got. So I'm gonna install these and see how that goes, and I'll do an update video later. Thanks for checking in, and I'll see you in the next video.